Hello, buddy. You having fun in the pool? Yeah. Check out the pool at the Riviere Cambana. No, I've said that backwards. Hang on, I'll tell you. The Cambana Riviere Hotel in Battambang. That's the name of I suck at knowing the hotel names. We just picked the ones that look nice. This is our room at this particular hotel. I'll put the name down the bottom so I don't forget it. It is a nice room. We paid $65 US for this room, and then we paid another $35 on top because we had our niece and nephew stay with us, adult niece and nephew, who have been helping look after Max through this trip. And let's have a look at the room. It's been a pretty comfy room, guys. You get these lovely knickknacks up here. That's like a full mechanicized adult toy spec cyclone. That's really cool. I like that. Not for Max, but maybe I had to play with that. You get your fridge, standard fare, nice big bench, cupboards for things, shelves for things. You do get these lovely glass bottles of drinking water. So from a sustainable, hey, these are IKEA. No shit. These must have cost them an absolute fortune. How good's that? That's really, really good from a sustainability point of view. Rather than giving plastic bottles, they've got the glass ones. They'll refill from their either filtered or the big bottled water. Good on them. Check out the old school phone. Now, this is a working phone. Now, if you're not born this century, that's what phones look like back in the 1990s. The old... Oh, that is so satisfying. Ooh, I like it. Anyway, let's not get carried away. 2 beds this room. You get 1 bed here and 1 bed there. Obviously, they're for sleeping. If you don't know that by now, I don't know what to do with you. You've got a lot of light options in here too. You've got these pendant lights. Are they called pendant lights? These lights up above. The sort of cool light up there. You get the LEDs around the bed. Not the bed. What do you call that? The wall. But you do get these LEDs under the bed too, which is pretty cool. So at night time you have multiple lighting options, which I think is quite impressive. So you can, it's like having neons under your 1997 Mitsubishi Lancer. Non-turbo, of course, because why would you do that? Marc's off, and they don't look very straight. You only got 1 power point here, and there was no sort of USB charging, so that's something I quite like. Going into a hotel, and this is quite a modern hotel. I think it's only a year old, and I do like having, no power points down there either. Yeah, I do like having sort of the ability to charge stuff really, really simply. You got a nice blue chair, which you can sit in. How good's that? So let's check out the bathroom. First, I want to show you the door situation here. You've got 2 sliding door options, right? So you can slide it from that way or from that way, and you think, it's pretty good. And you've got this big clear, not clear, frosted, I think is the term I'm looking for, frosted glass door, which is a good idea for privacy. But I'll tell you what, at night, if someone needs to go to the can and they turn the light on,
bright.
It's incredibly bright and it lights up the entire room. So although it is good for... I like the gimmick of having 2 doors and whatnot, but practically, get rid of it. It's a pain in the ass. Especially if
you can still have 2 doors, but you don't have to have 1 glass door.
Yeah, no, bugger the glass off.
Yeah.
I know it's supposed... I suppose it's there to let light in, but I'd rather not be blinded at night by the lights. Anyway, inside here, did you know this? Let's turn this on. There's going to be a hum because it's the fan. Check out this lovely wooden Venetian blind. Do you know what this looks out to? Have you had a look? It's ridiculous. A picture. It's actually just a picture behind there. I only worked that out before. So I thought there might be a window or something, but...
No, but it's clever designer.
It is clever.
It's I'd rather look at the blind and look at the concrete wall.
That's right. So points on for that, points off for the light emitting door. So
I like this light.
Yeah, so they sort of even themselves out. Yeah, these lights are very, very nice. No shadows when you're doing your makeup or making yourself look pretty. Decent sized bench. I mean, have a look at it. I mean, have a look at this. You can see yourselves and what's going on. Standard amenities here. Shaving mirror so you can get right in and Right, so this is a large bathroom, and we've actually got a bath which looks brand new. No one's ever used it, apart from washing Max in there, so okay, Max used it. But we've got enough room to have a border between the shower and the dunny, and we don't. And what that means is that you just got water sort of in this area. So from here onwards, the water goes into that drain, but if you splash it out that way, this is going to remain wet, and you've also got a drain over here which cops it. So it's just, look, I appreciate they've got an extra drain there, but don't know. Another thing, there's really nowhere to put your amenities. So if you've got soap, shampoo and stuff like that, you just need a shelf here, guys, just to chuck there. Otherwise you're putting them on this little area. This is your hot, that's your cold. When you turn your hot on, it will, and your soap's over here, it will melt it. It's so bloody hot, and the tap gets really hot too. I don't know what it is about, I don't know, my taps at home, you don't scald yourself on the taps, but it seems like every hotel we stay in here, you go anywhere near the hot tap, it's piping hot. And I get it, there's hot water going through it, so duh, but at the same time, surely we've figured out now how to isolate that so you don't come out with a 3rd degree burn. That's the car.
That's alright. I'm 100% sure Max is playing with the key.
Yeah. So I think that's it. This is a nice room, it was comfortable, the aircon was cold. The staff here are incredibly polite.
Oh my god, it's
they
like
are,
5-star service.
I've still got my backpack in there. They are still new, and they are incredibly hospitable and incredibly welcoming and lovely. I mean, we didn't book here, we just turned up and they looked after us like absolute champions. So I'd recommend staying here. We're a little bit back from the riverfront, so there's a night market ahead of us, but it's Battambang. So Battambang's not like Siem Reap where everything's sort of in one spot. We're sort of spread out everywhere, which is cool. It's a different sort of experience. But yeah, I rate it. Would you stay here again?
Yeah.
You reckon?
I would.
You would?
No, you don't?
I'm torn because I want to experience more places, but this place is very, very nice. So yeah, we probably would. Oh, and the brekie's amazing. Brekkie, they allow you to order whatever you want as many times as you want. It is unlimited breakfast.
And it's got good variety of food.
Yep.
It's got Khmer breakfast and then Western breakfast.
Yeah, that's right.
And they have coffee machine.
Oh, proper coffee machine.
Yeah.
Not just pods. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this review of the Cambana La Riviere. I can't. My memory's shot. We'll see you. We get another video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.